Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's go to analyze the market, and this is ADJPY pair and this is upturn market. Okay, we'll place a layer option. Okay, we'll place a layer option, and this is a double bottom after again some buyer's entry, but there is a this candle closing point at the sellers area. Again some sellers enter the market, so that's the reason I place a layer option. This is a very weak candle, only retracement candle. Okay, let's check the other pair. Okay, there is no opportunity. Okay, I hope this candle make a bearish candle, not a bullish candle, but little bit late entry. Okay, this is a winning trade. We'll check the next pair. Okay, we'll place a higher option, and this is a very strong bullish candle. Okay, there is a level, but this market is make a uptrend market, so it's continue the direction. So that's the reason I place a higher option. But sometimes are these sellers are also enter the market, but this uptrend is most probability going to more up, so that's the reason I will place a higher option. Okay, let's check the other pair. There is no opportunity. Okay, check the reversal point, and there is a reversal point. Okay, we'll place a higher option. And this is a very strong bullish candle. So this is a minor trend is uptrend market. You can see this is a market direction. So that's the reason I will place a higher option. And this candle make a new low. Maybe that's the reason of some sellers enter the market. Okay, just they change the direction. Okay, no problem. There is no opportunity, good opportunity. Okay, we'll place a higher option. After this downtrend market, this is a Marbuju candle, and this candle is a very strong bullish candle. This candle make a new high, so there is a gap, some buyers enter the market, so that's the reason I place a higher option. This is not a fast momentum candles, so this is a very average momentum candles. So this type of candle, very small gap, try to fill the buyers. Okay, that's the reason I place a higher option. Okay, we have 10 seconds. Okay, this is also winning trade. We'll check the next pair. Okay, this is a marginal safety trade at this level. Okay, we'll place a lower option. This is only marginal safety trade, but sometimes it's break the level. So I will select the sellers area. This is a sellers area, So that's the reason I place a lower option. This only margin safety trade. Okay, while expecting candle closing point below my entry point. We have 3 seconds. Okay, this is also winning trade. Exotic candle closing point below my entry point. Just why? Because this is a previously strong seller's resistance. So that's reason giving this rejection. Okay, we'll check the next pair. Okay, no problem. Okay, after this uptrend market, change this direction and this level, but sometimes are it's going to more up. Okay, this is a bearish candle. Okay, I will place a higher option. This is a 50-50 chances. So I will place only this uptrend market and this is strong rejections. Okay, that's the reason I will place a higher option. So most of the probability to continue the market. This is a uptrend level. Sometimes are going to move down. Okay, still some sellers enter the market. Okay, 5 seconds. Okay, this is also loss of my trade. I will try to recover these trades. Okay, I will place a higher option. Okay, I will place a higher option. Very good entries, no problem. And this is a uptrend market. So this is a very strong rejections. This candle make a new high after this candle. So I will expecting candle make a bullish candle. So that's the reason I will place a higher option. And this is a bullish candle. Previously some buyers are very strong enter the market. So that's the reason I will place a higher option. Okay, let's see. We have 5 seconds. Okay, these two trades are winning trades. So also recover my loss. Okay, I will place a 6 trades. All are winning trades. And I hope if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you are interested this binary option course, joining my Telegram video course. Okay, thank you.